Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My name is Muhammad Amir and today in this video we will talk about the partition of British India. So India was a place of 584 princely states, which is also called native states, and many different nations having their different culture, religions and values lived together before the partition. But there was two major communities in India. One of them was Muslims and other was Hindus. In the British rule, there was two major political parties, Indian National Congress and All Indian Muslim League. In the British rule, the relation between Muslims and Hindus was not good and it causes many religious wars and riots. In 23 March in 1940, Muhammad Ali Jinnah represents the two nation theory made by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in which he says that Muslims are a different nation on the basis of their religion, culture, and tradition. They need a separate land to spend their lives according to their religion, culture, and traditions. Muhammad Ali Jinnah clearly demands the partition of British India into two states. Many leaders of Congress were not satisfied by the two nation theory and they strongly opposed the theory. At the end of the British rule, according to the Act of the United Kingdom Parliament, India was divided into two independent states, India and Pakistan. According to the Parliament, the area where Muslims was in majority will be the part of Pakistan. In 14 August 1947, Pakistan came into being and many people started the migration. The partition displaced 10 to 12 million people and a communal violence spread in Bihar where Hindus attacked Muslims and in Rawalpindi Hindus were attacked by Muslims. There was a bloodbath in both sides and almost 10,000 people were dead and 20 million people were homeless. Many people lost their lives, their homes and their beloved ones. After the partition, two independent states, Islamic Republic of Pakistan and secular India came into being. In February 1947, British government announced that the India would be granted independence by June 1948. Victory for India, Louis Mountbatten pleaded with the Hindu and Muslim leaders to agree a firm and unity country. Mountbatten reluctantly agreed to the formation of two separate states. Mountbatten proposed that the new state of Pakistan would be created from the Muslim majority provinces of Balochistan and Sindh and two contested provinces of Punjab and Bengal would be halved, created a Hindu Bengal and Punjab and Muslim Bengal and Punjab. The plan gained agreement from the Muslim League and the INC and it was announced on June 3, 1947. The date for independence was moved up to August 15, 1947. Difficulties of separation. With the decision in the favor of partition made, the parties next faced the nearly impossible task of fixing a border between the new states. The Muslim occupied two main regions in the north on positive sides of country, separated by a majority Hindu section. In addition, throughout most of the northern India, members of the two religions were mixed together, not to mention populations of Sikhs, Christians, and other minorities faiths. The Sikhs campaigns for a nation of the town, but their appeal was denied. In the wealthy, the fertile region of Punjab, in the wealthy and fertile region of Punjab, the problem was extreme with a nearly even mixture of Hindus and Muslims. To identify the final or real border, Mountbatten established a boundary commission under the chairman of Cyber Radcliffe, a bridge judge and rank outside. Radcliffe arrived in India on July 8 and published the demarcation. Joining Pakistan would be a necessity for the northwest frontier province. Radcliffe was given first weeks to complete the demarcations. He had no background in the Indian affairs, nor did have the prior experience in adjustment such disputes. Jinnah had supposed a single commission made up of the three impartial persons, but Nehru suggests two commissions, one for the Bengal and one for the Punjab, each made up of independent chairmen and two people nominated by the Muslim League and two by the IN. Two contested provinces of Punjab and Bengal would be halved, created a Hindu Bengal and Punjab and Muslim Bengal and Punjab. The plan gained agreement from the Muslim League and the INC and it was announced on June 3, 1947. The date for independence was moved up to August 15, 1947. I hope you liked the information and the video and thank you so much for watching and goodbye.